Okay. Number 3. 27. First things first. Let's look at 27. Perfect square? No. So how do you guys want to divide it?
Divided by 7.
Not quite 7. What, Colin? 3. 3 times what would give me 27? 3 times what?
3 times what, Caleb? 7. Oh. 9.
There you go. Cool. 3 times 9. Ooh, we love 9. What's the automatic pair I get out of 9?
3.
Awesome. Okay, so I know my 3's can pair up. Doesn't matter which 2 3's you grab. They create one couple of 3's. Who had to stay inside?
3.
That other 3, the third wheel 3. Okay, now we got to look at our variables. Okay, I'm going to show you the other trick now. Okay, so we have a cubed, and you can draw them out like I did on the starter, right? 3 a's there. But tell me, so let's do a cubed here. Is 3 an even number? No, it's an odd number, so we can't get a perfect amount of pairs out of it. So what we want to do is we're going to subtract the oddball that makes him odd. 3 minus 1 equals what? 2. Now we're dealing with an even number. What is 2 divided by 2? How many pairs can I get out of 2? 1. So I know I can have one couple of a's that came out, but because we subtracted the oddball, 1a had to stay in. Here's a little hint. Whenever you see an odd number, no matter if it's a really big odd number, there's always just one of that letter that has to stay in, right? Because there's always one guy that couldn't pair up. Okay, same thing with my b cubed. So again, I would take that 3, subtract the oddball, which would give me my 2. We already divided 2 by 2 to give me 1, which means one pair of b's got to come out, and the oddball b had to stay in as well. What am I forgetting? What's my last step?
-7.
Times by -7. Awesome. Okay, so we're going to take that -7 that was waiting out front, multiply it.
Which will be -21.
Beautiful. So outside I have -21 AB root 3 AB. Whoops. Might want to be able to see it. And that's okay that we're going into number 4 space. We're going to skip number 4 anyway.
So is it fine if we write number 4 like area?
Sure.
Wait, kind of.
No worries. Alrighty. Show me a fist of 5, you guys, especially because I haven't been here in like a week. Fist of 5 on simplifying these guys with variables, with numbers, number out front. Ooh, I love it. I love it. Love it. Okay. Let's go ahead and look at numbers 5 through 10. How are we simplifying these guys? By doing what? What does it say in my directions? Adding and subtracting. So we've taken it up a notch. The first thing we always have to do is see if these guys can simplify. Okay, so on number 5, we're just going to take it piece by piece. We have no variables in here, so that makes it a little easier. Okay, 24. Do you think we could get a pair out of 24? Probably. Okay, let's go ahead and divide 24 down. How can I divide 24?
24 divided by 2.
24 divided by 2. 2 times
Which will be 12.
12. Beautiful. Okay. Can't divide 2, but I can divide 12. How could I divide 12?
6.
6 and
2.
2. Beautiful. Okay. Now, do you guys see a pair?
Yes.
Yes. So let's go ahead and just circle those 2's. We know we're going to have a pair. Do you think we could get another pair out of 6, though?
3.
Let's see. How could I divide 6?
In half.
Nice. So 2 and 3. Wait a second. Can I get another pair out of 6?
Yeah. Oh, wait, no.
I can't. It only divides to 2 and 3. So guess what? It just turns back into 6. Dang it. Can't get a pair out of 6. That's okay. Okay, so we got to simplify this whole piece. My 2 got to come out. What is it doing to that 3? I just wrote it down, so you should be able to tell me. Beautiful. It's going to multiply, which turns into 6 on the outside. Who has to stay inside? 6 root 6. Okay, so we just simplified just that first piece, and you're like, oh my gosh, we have to do this 2 more times? Yep. But didn't we just simplify 24? Yeah. Okay, we know that out of 24, we got 2's that could leave. I'll just rewrite it again. And then my 6 that had to stay inside. We don't have to simplify it again. You guys already did it. Yes. Okay, so my 2's come out. What are they going to do to that -2?
Become -4.
Multiply, so it becomes -4 out front with a 6 inside. Oh, already done. Middle guy is already done. Last guy, root 27. This is not 24, so we got to break him down. How can we divide 27?
14.
What was that, Noah?
14.
Ooh, not quite 14.
3.
3 times
9.
9. Nice job. Ooh, we love 9. What's my automatic pair I get out of 9?
3.
Nice. Okay, so I got my pair of 3's that get to leave. Ooh, what are they multiplying by in front? What is that invisible number? -1. -1 times that 3 is going to turn into what?
-3.
Nice. You guys are too good. Okay, who had to stay inside now?
3.
Just that one little 3. Okay, now hopefully on your video you remember, or I talked about, now they just become like terms. Okay, we don't even care about these radical numbers anymore, but which ones are the same? Which ones can I combine together? What do you think?
3.
Ooh, this is one term. Okay, let me rephrase that question. I have 6 root 6's. I have -4 root 6's. And then I have -3 root 3's. Which ones are the same? Which ones can I combine, Matilda?
6 root 6 and -4 root 6.
Yes. Okay, my like terms just become, if they have the same radical, we can combine them. Okay, so this is like saying 6x minus 4x. Same exact thing. So if I have 6 minus 4 of that thing, how many of that thing do I have? 2. Final answer, we get 2 root 6's. Can I combine that root 3 with anything?
No.
Nope. So -3 root 3. Beautiful. Okay, we'll go ahead and skip number 6 because I kind of went into its space a little bit. Let's look at number 7. Ooh, I like number 7. Okay, so let's look at our radicals. First radical, root 5. Can I simplify or break down 5? Nice, okay, so that guy's simplified. That's awesome. Root 5, same thing, simplified, awesome. Can I break down 2? So did we even have to simplify these guys? Nope, we didn't. Now we can just combine like terms. So which...
+3 root 5 and -3 root 5.
My root 5's, right? They just become the same like term, right? Root 5 and root 5. So wait a minute. What is 3 minus 3?
1, -1, 0.
0. Oh, those guys just cancel each other out. Final answer, I'm just left with -2 root 2. We couldn't combine him. We couldn't simplify him. Final answer, -2 root 2. Okay, before we go any further, let's go ahead and use number 6's space to write down these steps. Okay, so our first step in adding and subtracting these guys was to simplify the radicals. And then in parentheses, I'm going to put if possible. Because sometimes they're already simplified. So simplify the radicals if possible, if you need to. And then our last step was to combine like terms. Okay, and if it's the same number inside the radical, that makes it a like term. Okay, let's go ahead and try number 8. Okay, we have 3 terms here. Let's go ahead and look at each term. Can I break down 2? Nope, that guy's simplified. Can I break down 20?
By 10?
Yes, we can break down 20. Okay, so let's go ahead and simplify this guy. And Noah says by 10, so let's go ahead and divide by 10. That'll give me a 10 and a 2. Can't break down 2 anymore. What about 10? 5 and 2. Ooh, nice. Okay, what's my pair that gets to leave? 2. What happens to this 2 that goes out front in the 3? What do?
Times.
They times.
-6.
Ooh, not quite negative. Positive 6. So we have 6 root 5 in the middle. Okay, then my last term. Can I break down 5? Nope, that guy's simplified. So I'm going to go ahead and just copy these guys down so they're all down here. Negative 3 root 2 plus 6 root 5 plus 3 root 5. Okay, literally just brought the first and the third term down. We couldn't simplify them. Where are my like terms, Ty?
6, 5, and 3, 5.
Beautiful. We got 6 root 5, which we can combine with 3 root 5. What is 6 plus 3? How many root 5s do I have? Beautiful. So final answer, negative 3 root 2. We couldn't simplify or combine him with anything. But we could combine 6 and 3 to make 9 root 5. Awesome, awesome. I want you guys to try number 9 on your own. Simplify where possible, and then combine like terms. Okay, try number 9 on your own. Even if you can just get the first step, that's awesome. Then we'll compare answers. I'll give you like 1 minute, 60 seconds. Ready, go.
Go.
Love seeing you guys try. Love seeing you guys writing down on your notes. Simplify if possible, then combine like terms. Let's take like 10 more seconds. 4, 3, 2,
No.
and 1.
Pencils down.
Okay. My first term, root 8. Could we simplify, break 8 down? Yep. I did 2 times 4. Call it.
Times 2.
That's okay. Okay, 2 times 4 or 4 times 2. Okay, then I could do 2 times 2, right? I got 1 pair of 2s that could leave. 2 times 3 turned into 6. I had 1 2 that was left inside. Could we simplify the second term? Break 3 down?
No.
And that one's also 3, so that guy's also simplified. So now it looks like this. I didn't do the last step for you. Where are my like terms that I can combine? So I have 2 root 3 minus 2 root 3. Wait a second, you guys. What is 2 minus 2?
0.
Oh, they cancel each other out. Final answer is just what we're left with, 6 root 2. Love it, love it. Okay, let's do one more example and then I'll set you free to work on your assignment. Everybody good on number 9?
Yeah.
Nice job. Number 10. Okay, look at those 3 terms. Which one do we need to simplify?
45.
The 45, right? Can I simplify these 3's?
No.
Nope, can't simplify them. So those guys are already done. But we can simplify 45. How can we break down 45 or divide 45? 5 and 45 divided 9. Beautiful. Ooh, we love 9. What's the automatic pair I get out of 9?
3.
3. Nice, nice. Where's my pair that gets to leave? 3. What happens to the 3 and the 2 out front?
Times them, which will be 9. Wait, no. 6.
6. 3 times 2, 6. Okay, who was left inside?
5.
5. So now my new radical looks like 6 root 5. Okay, then I'm just going to bring down my next 2 plus 3 root 3 plus 2 root 3.
They simplify 3 root 3 and 2 root 3.
Love it. Combine my like terms, which are my root 3's. Okay, so root 3 and root 3. This is saying I have 3 of that thing. I'm adding 2 of that thing. How many of that thing do I have? 5 root 3. So my final answer, 6 root 5 plus 5 root 3. We cannot combine a root 5 with a root 3, so we are simplified. Fist of 5, before you start your assignment. How are you feeling when you have to add and subtract these guys? Ooh, I love it. I love seeing some 4s, even if you're like a 2 or a 3. No worries. Love it. Okay, awesome job, you guys.